Okay, so I wanted to hop on here really quickly. It's something I get asked all the time, and there are so many preconceived notions that will tell you when the best times are to post on social. And while there are definitely some research and statistics that will show certain times are best based on Thursdays at lunch or Wednesdays at noon, and which is better to post for media or consumer goods. But in dentistry, I think that it's probably best for us to be a little more analytical and to really post when our followers are going to actually engage. And so, one of the ways to do that is to come to your insights page on your Facebook page and click on posts. And then you're going to click on when your fans are online. And this is actually going to give you the best times that they are actually online, or the highest probability that they're actually on and engaging. And so here you can see that, at 1 o'clock in the morning, nobody's really on, but you see it kind of trickles up at 6 a.m. and throughout the day it kind of peaks. But however, if you get to the very end of the day, right around dinner time when everyone's getting off of work, you see that most of the followers for this page are actually engaged and online around this time between the hours of, 5, 7 o'clock. I would say it starts to really trickle down, and you can see that you probably shouldn't be posting any time after 7 p.m. And I definitely wouldn't be posting any earlier than, 9 a.m. in this instance. And so I definitely would recommend that if you're going to be doing this, that you pull the pages, pull your insights and take a look. And then when you're using any sort of scheduler like Buffer, Planoly, Hootsuite, any of those, that you're actually putting those times in so that you are putting posts up when your followers are going to be the most engaged and are actually following you and are on Facebook. And so take this into consideration as you do this. If you need any help, let me know. I am here to do that. But I wanted just to do this really quickly because it is something that has come up quite a bit in the last week or so. Happy Sunday.